thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're opening up the April Variety Fun Box. This is my favorite snack subscription, and it is a big old box full of snacks. So if you don't know what Variety Fun is, obviously like I just said, it is a snack subscription. They offer two different subscription plans, the Fun Box and the Fit Box. Today we'll be unboxing the Fun Box. So the Fun Box, you get 40 snacks and it is $24.99 with free shipping. And the snacks are all what they consider to be classic snacks, which we'll see in a moment when we unbox. There's a great variety every month, like the name of the box suggests. You can actually choose to get this every 2 weeks or every month. So I think this is great for families and people who pack lunches. I know a lot of us are staying home now, but that doesn't mean you're not eating snacks, right? I think my snack consumption has increased a lot, actually. So this is the Fun Box we're opening today. They have the Fit Box as well. In the Fit Box, you get 30 snacks, and they are considered to be like more healthy snacks, and that cost a little bit more. The price is $39.99, and you also get free shipping with that subscription. I have a code that is not affiliated, it's just to help you guys out, that will save you 30% on your first box. So all the information will be down below in the description box along with a link to subscribe. But anyways, I'm kind of hungry, so let's get this box open and see what snacks we got for April. I've opened a lot of snack subscriptions over the almost 2 years I've been on YouTube. Isn't that crazy? And this one, by far, Variety Fun, has the best value. $24.99 for 40 snacks, and then you save money if you use that 30% off code as well. Anyways, when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So seriously, totally full. Once someone asked me if the snacks ever come like crushed or smushed or anything like that. Never had the experience. They're always perfect. So in here it says, taste, explore, and enjoy. So let's get started. The very first thing I see is by Ruffles, and this is the cheddar and sour cream chips. I personally love these. I love sour cream and I love cheddar, so the combo, so good. And then we have something I've actually discovered through Variety Fun. This is the Andy Capp's Hot Fries. These are really good. They've got a little kick to them, but they're not too spicy. We've got some Doritos Cool Ranch, another chip I love. And we have Kettle Brand Potato Chips Backyard Barbecue. We have a pack of traditional Chex Mix. Oh my god, I think this is the first time I've got this in a box. Maybe not, but we have some Funyuns. It reminds me of childhood, like eating them in the cafeteria at school. Onion flavored rings. I seriously can't remember the last time I had those. That sounds good. We have something by Popcorners, the crunchy and wholesome popcorn snack, and we have it in the flavor white cheddar. Yum. Sorry if I say yum over and over again. We have some Cheez-Its Scrabble Junior. These are super cute, so they have letters on them. So I think this is extra special for like children that are learning to read and stuff like that, or any age. They can make words out of their snacks, so learning and snacking, eating at the same time. We have 2 packs of the Zoo Animal Crackers. We have Abby's Cookies. I love these. It looks like we have 2 different flavors here. We have the Abby's Shortbread Cookies and also the Abby's Cookies and Chocolate Chip. Cookies are my favorite snacks, so yum. And Annie's, or I said Annie's, what is it called? Abby's. I knew I said that wrong. They're really good. We have the white cheddar Cheez-Its up next. These are really good. Everything's really good. We have some Keebler Fudge Stripe Minis and Original. Love these. And also by Keebler, the Scooby-Doo Baked Graham Crackers and Cinnamon, and it's made with whole grain. We have the Cheez-It Original. We have 3 different Cheez-Its, all different. We have 2 packs here of the Snyder's of Hanover Mini Pretzels. I love to have these with hummus. We have a Nutri-Grain bar in strawberry. And Ecoa, hopefully I'm saying that brand name right, Pure Coconut Natural Dried Fruit Bar. We actually have 2 of these in different flavors. So this is the Pure Coconut flavor, and then we also received the Pure Banana Natural Dried Fruit Bar. We have Keebler Chips Deluxe Mini Rainbow. Oh, I don't know if I've had this specific cookie before. These are by Nabisco, the vanilla wafers. I've definitely had vanilla wafers, but God, why is this like such a throwback right now? Vanilla wafers. Yeah, must be them. We have the Barnum's Animal Crackers. See, there's so many classic snacks in here. Ooh, a pack of 6 Oreos. Nature Valley Crunchy Bar and Oats and Honey. Looks like the never-ending snack box. There's still a lot left. Looks like we have 2 other Nature Valley bars, but they're different. Nature Valley Trail Mix Fruit and Nut Bar. The Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut, the peanut flavor. This personally is my favorite, so good. We have Welch's Family Farmer Owned Mixed Fruit Snacks. We have 3 different Twizzlers here, and these are all in the strawberry flavor. Is strawberry the original flavor? I don't really even know. It's always making me think of my mom. She's in Florida, I should give these to her. Oh my God, we have 2 fruit roll-ups. Looks like they're both in strawberry flavor. Oh wow, and we have 2 Sour Patch Kids packets. Soft and chewy candy. Just saying Sour Patch Kids makes my mouth water because they're so sour. Ooh, I love these. This is by Kashi. It's a chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar. So good. We have 2 of the toasty sandwich crackers made with real peanut butter. We also have the toast cheese sandwich. So this is the same thing, but it has like the cheddar crackers with the peanut butter. And we have 2 items left. So many snacks. This is a Nutri-Grain bar in blueberry. And last but not least, we have a packet of Fig Newtons. I like these. Yum. And that was everything. Everything is so good. I always try and decide like what my favorite is in here. Probably the cookies. I can't get enough cookies, but I will eat every single one of these things. Well, probably not. I'll have to share a few, I guess. Maybe. But anyways, yeah, that was everything. Like I said, all of the information will be down below if you're interested in subscribing. Definitely use that code to save some money if you do decide to subscribe. And yeah, if you guys have not yet entered my giveaway for Grandma in a Box to win one of those boxes, that's actually another snack subscription. It's like a treat subscription, but it's like 3 crafts. You make the treats. I'm going to link them down below, or my most recent video down below, so you can enter that giveaway. And yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys are all doing well, that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.